Disclaimer: this video is created only for educational and entertainment purposes for children. All emojis and visuals are used only for fun learning and belong to the respective creators. Hello champs! Welcome back to Champs Education. Today, we are going to play a super fun game, Guess the Word by Emoji. Are you ready? Let's begin. Look carefully. 2 emojis. What word do they make? Yes, it's butterfly. Look carefully. 2 emojis. What does this mean? Correct. It's ice cream. What does this mean? Any guesses? Yes, it's sunglasses. Can you guess? Think carefully. That's right. It's rainbow. Very nice. What do these two make? Try to guess. Correct. It's fireman. Good job. I'm sure you know this one. Yes, it's cupcake. Great. Can you guess this one? Correct. It's sunflower. Amazing. Now guess this one. It's honeybee. Wow. Wonderful. Any idea? Come on. Let's try. Correct answer. Yes. It's footballer. You are right. Final one. Any guesses? Correct. It's pineapple. You're amazing. Great job, champs. How many did you guess correctly? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Champs Education for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.